Hello everyone, I'm Upasana Taneja, and in this video we have a question where we are given this equation that x minus 4 under root x plus 1 plus 4 is equal to 0. And what do we need to do? We need to solve it for x. We need to find out the value of x, right? Okay, so let us proceed now. What I can write here that if I have x plus 4 on the left hand side, I can take this square root on the right hand side, right? Okay, now since we have square root, what will I do? I will square both sides. Okay, so if I square both sides, I will get x plus 4 whole square is equal to 4 under root x plus 1 whole square, right? This is a plus b whole square. What is a plus b whole square? A plus b whole square is a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? So then this will become x square plus 8x plus 16 is equal to, what is 4 square? 16. And what is the square of under root x plus 1? We will just remove the square root, right? So we get this thing. Now I will solve this equation. We have x square plus 8x plus 16 is equal to 16x plus 16. Okay, so now I will just bring everything from the right hand side to the left hand side. Okay, this is x square plus 8x plus 16 minus 16x minus 16. Since I am bringing these two terms from right to left, they will become negative. So this is x square plus 8x, and 16 will cancel out. And what is 8x minus 16x? This is equal to minus 8x, right? Is equal to 0. And we can take x common from these two terms. We are left with x times x minus 8. Since product of two terms is 0, that means either x is equal to 0 or x minus 8 is equal to 0, right? So we get two solutions. X is equal to 0 and x is equal to 8, right? So I hope you understood this. That was not hard, but still we need to apply some things, some previous knowledge to get these types of things. So if you like it, do subscribe to my channel, and I have many Maths Olympiad questions, short tricks and concepts on my channel. Do visit, share your reviews and comment, and what do you want to study next. I will teach that topic if you want to learn some concept or something. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye, see you in next video.